Welcome to Uttermind. Invested, the proven path to financial success and freedom. Invested, how to build a stronger, more profitable business by investing in your people, customers, community and future, is a best-selling book written by Danielle Town and Phil Town, both experienced investors and business owners. The book is based on their own experiences and research, and offers valuable insights on how to build a strong, profitable business by investing in people, customers, community, and future. Here are some of the key takeaways from the book and how they can be applied in our daily lives. Number 1. The importance of investing in your people. The book explains that the key to building a strong, profitable business is to invest in your people. By investing in your employees, you can create a culture of engagement, empowerment, and innovation that will drive your business forward. Number 2. The power of investing in your customers. The book explains that investing in your customers is one of the most powerful ways to build a strong, profitable business. By understanding your customers' needs and wants, you can create products and services that they will love and want to buy. Number 3. The benefits of investing in your community. The book explains that investing in your community is one of the most effective ways to build a strong, profitable business. By giving back to the community, you can create a sense of loyalty and support that will help your business thrive. Number 4. The value of investing in the future. The book explains that investing in the future is one of the most important ways to build a strong, profitable business. By embracing new technologies, new business models, and new ideas, you can create a sustainable business that will thrive for years to come. Number 5. The power of investing in yourself. The book explains that investing in yourself is one of the most powerful ways to build a strong, profitable business. By developing your own skills, knowledge, and abilities, you can create a business that is built on your own strengths and passions. Number 6. The importance of having a clear vision. The book explains that having a clear vision is one of the most important ways to build a strong, profitable business. By having a clear vision, you can create a roadmap for your business that will guide you to success. Number 7. The benefits of having a strong team. The book explains that having a strong team is one of the most effective ways to build a strong, profitable business. By having a team that is engaged, motivated, and committed, you can create a business that is built to last. Number 8. The power of having a strong brand. The book explains that having a strong brand is one of the most powerful ways to build a strong, profitable business. By having a brand that is authentic, compelling, and consistent, you can create a business that is built on trust and loyalty. Number 9. The importance of having a strong culture. The book explains that having a strong culture is one of the most important ways to build a strong, profitable business. By having a culture that is aligned with your values and mission, you can create a business that is built on purpose and passion. Number 10. The benefits of having a strong network. The book explains that having a strong network is one of the most effective ways to build a strong, profitable business. By having a network of customers, suppliers, partners, and mentors, you can create a business that is built on connections and collaborations. In summary, Invested is a valuable book that offers practical strategies for building a strong, profitable business by investing in people, customers, community, and future. The book is based on the author's own experiences and research, and provides valuable insights on how to create a business that is built on engagement, empowerment, innovation, and sustainability. The book's key takeaways can be applied to any business, whether small or large, and can help entrepreneurs and business owners make better decisions and create a strong, profitable business that will last for years to come. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Uttermind.